Hi, now I'm going to show you how to make and receive phone calls on the T54W business phone handset. So I'm going to place a call from my mobile phone to the handset.
And I'm going to answer it. I've got some options to answer it. I can press the speaker button, I can press the headset button, I can press the reject button where it will ring everyone else's phone, or I can press the answer button, or I can lift the receiver in a conventional way. Hi Rob, how you doing?
Hello? Yes, I can hear you perfectly.
And we're connected.
Now let's show you how to make a call.
Okay, we've got a simple option here. We just dial a number. And I have the option of either hitting send, I can hit speakerphone, or I can lift the receiver. Let's hit send. Call's now connecting.
Hi, this is Rob's voicemail. Please leave me a message and I'll call you back as soon as I'm available. Thank you.
I can remain on hands-free, or if I wanted to, I could have continued the call just by lifting the receiver and continue the rest of the call in private.